Hi, I'm Rose Maniscalchi. Welcome to my new listing here in Corona Del Mar on Daffodil, located in the Terraces. This home has a spectacular view from multiple rooms, from doing your dishes in the kitchen to enjoying your living room, and 2 outdoor patios to enjoy. This amazing home has been completely remodeled with the finest of finishes, custom drapery to custom tile and marble stone counters. Come on and take a look. If you'd like to take a tour of this property, please feel free to reach out to me via cell or text.